Amazing facts about white peacock. Peacocks are gorgeous animals with beautiful, elegant plumage and dazzling colors. The white peacock is not a separate breed of peafowl, but is a peacock that has been born all white due to a unique genetic. White peacock, mostly found in India. When the British Empire conquered India, they spread peafowl all over Europe and America. White peacocks may have appeared before this time, but the first recorded white peacocks appeared in the 1830s. An adult male can be as long as 7.5 feet, whereas an adult female is around 2.5 to 3.5 feet in length. White peafowl are not so white straight out of the womb. They're actually born yellow and turn white as they mature. Black shoulder peons are mostly white. The most stunning peacocks have to be the white peacock, but some people wonder if this is actually an albino peacock. White peacocks are not albinos. Albino animals and birds have a complete lack of color and red or pink eyes. After peacocks mate, they're essentially totally through with their roles as fathers. They no longer interact with the females, and they don't take on any paternal responsibilities. White peacocks can cost from a few $100s to $1,500 for a pair in the U.S. Peafowl is the correct name for both the male and female peacock. Female peafowl are called peon. Peon has a shorter tail than peacock. The peon can get aggressive when protecting a nest of eggs and will attack other males during mating season. White peacock generally lives somewhere between 10 to 20 years in the wild. In Christianity, the eyes in the peacock feathers symbolize the all-seeing Christian God. Peacocks are known to be noisy too and have a loud, high-pitched call. These animals are only found in captivity, and their coloring is caused by a unique genetic mutation that occurs in very few birds. If you've ever seen a white peacock, count yourself extremely lucky, as these are unique birds indeed. Their feathers tend to be either brown, gray, or cream in color. White peacocks are a rare form of the blue peacock, which has the genetic mutation causing leucism. White peon lays eggs between 4 to 8 eggs. They are omnivores that eat insects, plants, and small animals. They can grow about 90 to 130 centimeters tall and weigh around 4 to 6 kilograms. Thanks for watching Natural Videos.